morning folks, and welcome back to the channel, and this is the epic ride south with the Wild Peaks posse. We're just going to go and pick a few others up at the meet point, but we've left this morning, we've come over the tops and it was now down to -9. Front camera's not switching on yet, I don't know why, might be just because I've got the thick gloves on, I can't control the buttons, but it is bloody cold. You can see the ice on the screen in front. We must be mad. So oh my god. Right, so we're going to get to the meet point and then sort everything out, and then we'll see you there folks when things get a little bit more interesting. Stay tuned.
Come on now. Alright for Macca with his cameraman. Oh, YouTube crap. No, I got time for YouTube. My god. See you on the road, folks.
We seem to have hit a little bit of a polar vortex. Yeah, everything's just decided to steam up, but the good thing is obviously inside your lid what happens is the heat of my breath will melt the ice off from the visor, and I've got an anti-fog stuff on there which I've just put on a couple of the other lads' visor on the inside, which is, I think, is made by True Tension. There's a picture of a monkey on it, I'll show you that. Oh fuck, it's snowing. Where the fuck did that come from? Oh man! Oh no! Oh. That's not good because the temperature's still below freezing, and that's not going to melt off on the roads. Shit! As long as we stay off the white stuff, we'll be okay. And we are on an adventure bike, so what is the problem? Apart from Macca, that is, on the DYNA. DYNA bro. So there was originally, I think there was supposed to be 15 originally, but I think you'd be lucky if we get another 2 or 3 turning up at the next stop. So, but we'll see. That was weird, isn't it? That snow's just disappeared. It was just that little 100-yard stretch. Quite bizarre. Oh, right. So round 2. So we've got to get south to Diddley Squat Farm, and I think we've got someone turning up in a vehicle or meeting us down in London later, and maybe another bike. So what started off as 15 now is down to the hardcore few. I'll just make sure everything's zipped so I don't want to lose anything on the motorway. Right, let's go. Oh, must be mad. How many times am I going to say that? Back on the motorway, or the freeway, my visor is completely iced up. So currently on the Foss Way, somewhere between, I don't know, Banbury or whatever, heading south, somewhere like that. But it seems to be hitting these cold, really cold spells, like coming out of it and not so much frost, and then hitting these where everything's just completely white and iced over. So it's pretty treacherous out here, to say the least, and it just seems to have got really cold in the last 5 minutes as well. Currently at 28 degrees Fahrenheit. So as much as we're braving it, we're feeling it, but it is an adventure. So it doesn't matter, you can ride all day long in the summer and say what a fucking good day you had, but the real test is riding in these sort of conditions, and nothing's melting off, everything's just freezing over. The back of my phone camera's got to keep wiping, keeps coming up with the temperature warning on the dashboard as well, saying low temps. Surprisingly though, I got my vents closed on the showy lid, and my head is really toasty warm. So we still haven't found a fuel stop, and my low fuel warning light's just come on. I've got 44 miles left in the tank, so I really need to find some motion potion.
Quick little stop. Leon couldn't see out his visor, it was completely iced over. Some nice farmer guys just come over and give us some of these crack open hand warmers, so I'm going to stick them in relevant places. I might stick some down my bollocks. That's about the coldest thing on me, but this is ridiculous. Bike's still looking particularly clean, but look at this.
I'm fine now. That was just pushing it too much. Like,
Completely frozen front screen. All good fun. It's an adventure. We've got adventure bikes. The only person that's got an excuse is Macca on the DYNA, but he doesn't need an excuse.
What a stunning view now that fog's lifted. We've got the sun coming out as well. Oh wow. I don't know what hill is that. How far south are we? I don't even know. Somewhere towards Banbury. Is that Cotswolds or somewhere? I've no idea. Can't be that far south yet. But look at the sky. Blue sky. Fog on one side, blue sky on the other. What a glorious day. So that should lift the temperatures just a little bit to give us a little bit of comfort zone. Oh wow. Thatched houses as well around here. Look at this. Wow. That's the beauty of Middle England, the Shires. Look at this old house here. Wow. The only problem is the low winter sun. Apart from that, brilliant. Okay, so we've got Chris who's joined us now on the Glide. Beautiful bike. I still like glides. One day I shall have a Glide in the garage, I'm sure. Sun's out. Blue sky, still some pockets of fog about. Meant to wipe my visor as well, sorry folks. Got ice blowing in my head. That's alright, six, that's wrong, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, what's going on there? That'll cool down. When the engine's running, it's static, the temperature picks up heat from the bike, so it takes about 5 minutes to settle back down again, but yeah, definitely warming up. The ice is falling off the trees, and we are in Chipping Norton. And what's in Chipping Norton? Diddley Squat Farm. This is a busy little place. Chipping Norton. Some history, I think, this place has. Okay folks, so here we are. A diddly squat. Still pretty busy as well. Bike parking. So here we go folks, the famous Diddley Squat Farm Shop. How's the crew?
Alright. Got a little willy at the minute. It's like a button mushroom. My nipples are like bullets.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
He's going in. He's in. We're in the shop.
What can we buy? What can we buy?
What are you buying?
I don't know.
You got an empty pan here, you got to fill it with something. Here, I'll fill it with some
Cow juice?
cow juice. What's this? Oh, look, some Hawkstone.
I know, I won't get that in though.
No? We're in the entrance. Today, I am ALCHEMOTO's cameraman.
Hello.
Christmas gifts. Oh right, I see. So you buy a bottle and fill it up. Yeah. It's a smashing pan here.
You can put whatever you want in that.
Today's cameraman is buying coffee.
Look at that. California Reaper sausage.
Oh, hot sausage. Hot sausage.
Jeremy's sausage. So here we are inside the Diddley Squat Farm Shop with the posse.
So the weekend involved diddly squat, bike shed,
Diddly squat.
diddly squat, Folkestone, and then ride back via Caffeine and Machine. But the weather, thanks to ALCHEMOTO,
Not looking good.
it's going to be frozen, raining, snowing, a couple of death blows.
So I've got a suggestion.
Cameraman, put the camera on yourself.
Where I'm from, when the weather is shit, we braai.
So I suggest we go Brian.
That's a great idea.
What are you thinking?
I've got enough wood.
We're going to ask ALCHEMOTO what he thinks.
I mean, I don't give a shit. I mean, it could get dangerous.
It's going to get dangerous.
You know what I mean?
I've got New York next weekend.
If we were in our 20s, we would be going, fuck it.
But they might not let him on the plane if he's got his arms in both casts like
What
this.
about you, Chris?
I think you're all pussies. Nah, it's going to be snowing tomorrow. It's too fucking Sounds like it's like
I think
you're
we've
down
been
to your
thwarted,
prison.
man. We've been thought. Blizzard tomorrow. Polar vortex. It's going to kill us. I'm going home.
Yeah.
We're going home, Martin.
We're going home. Down to me.
I went up to come back down to go back up. I'm going home. I'm selling my bikes. I'm done.
Right folks, so that is the famous Diddley Squat Farm. It's getting colder. I've got mud on my boots. Let's get out of here. So we've got a little change of plan to our schedule now this weekend, because the weather, looking at the app, is taking a turn for the worse, and we've got snow forecast. So if we head on down south tomorrow, there's supposed to be a band of snow, and if it's not going to be from south, it will be by the time we head north. And what I don't want to be doing, and a few of the other, well, the rest of the lads, is riding through heavy snow when we get towards the Peak District. That's just going to be pretty stupid, so we've made the decision to cancel the hotel. So we're just going to go to Crazy Horse Customs as a second little stop for the day, just to make the day a little bit more worthwhile for us. So that's the next stop, guys, so we'll do this all in one vlog. So just leaving back through Chipping Norton now, the village of Chipping Norton. Fog's lifted again now, and we're getting some stunning scenery. And I've never obviously ridden down these roads. I've sort of driven down them in the past work-wise, you know, passing through, but what a beautiful part of the world. Single track road to Wigington. Banbury straight ahead, and we should be tailing off here, I think, to Heath Farm. So here we are at Crazy Horse. Well, I think we're better off leaving it in gear on here.
I'm cameraman. We're going into Crazy Horse.
This is the new Plan B, so we are now at Crazy Horse Customs, so let's go and have a look inside. I've got snot dripping off my camera.
I've got snot dripping off my nose, dude.
Alright, how are we doing?
I've been relegated to cameraman duty.
Good lad. Where have you not come from?
Derby. Frozen.
Hey, this is cool. This is pretty damn cool. Hey, stunning. Look at this.
There's my bodyguard.
Stunning.
Get out of the way, bodyguard. I'm filming ALCHEMOTO.
Perfect t-shirt for you there, look, and you get the shape as well with it.
Oh, nips. I got nip on, it's that cold.
This is pretty cool. Wow. Commandos.
That's not Arnold Schwarzenegger Commando. Oh, Norton Commando. Okay.
So this looks like a pretty decent collection of Indians, if that's what you're into.
No, that's an Indian.
Look at this. Zaeta.
Bear with me.
Dude. Not just one dude, 2 dudes.
2 dudes. Right, go on then, carry on. What are we looking at? I was looking at this.
Yeah, I was looking at this.
Show me.
Zaeta. I mean, look at this for engineering. I mean, that just looks like a leg of lamb.
Yes, I was going to say chicken leg.
Chicken leg, maybe.
Yeah. What's happening here?
Whoa, swing arm heaven.
All right, put it away.
Right. I don't know.
Ignore me. I don't know where I'm meant to be sticking this camera.
That is special. Look at that, S&S.
Yeah.
Someone else who likes polished aluminium or aluminum, you go from the US of A. Yes. Yeah, one of my favourite tunes, that is. This looks like a sport bikes. Let's carry on through here.
Whoa. Now then, bro.
Soup of a loss. MV plus that.
Can you do the accent?
Which accent?
I don't know, any accent.
So here we have a soup of a loss.
I don't know what accent that is. Is that not Italian?
Italian.
Is it Italian?
So here we have the MV bikes of distinction. MV Augusta.
Sorry, you two. I've just got to apologise. I'm sorry. Keep going. Oh, there's my cameraman. Cameraman.
They've got gloves.
This is my cameraman.
Beast.
That's my bodyguard. What are you doing here, bodyguard? Trophy.
Now that is the
It's a bit warm in here, dude.
a little pillion seat there.
Oh, hang on. I think I saw this at NEC. Yeah. It's at the NEC.
It was, yeah. Nice paint though. I've got to admit,
Is that a horn?
I'm a they press it there. I'm a fan of this colour. I really am a fan of this colour, you know, for a classic bike. How cool is that?
I like your tips.
Yourself down to Crazy Horse and then enjoy all this yourself. So going back to my little motto is when you visit a bike shop, never leave a bike shop without buying something.
What are you buying, a hoodie?
Keep you warm in those cold winter nights out on the road. And remember, always suck on a lollipop.
But Crazy Horse, what a brilliant little place that is. So, well, what area we're in?
Chipping Norton.
So we're still in Chipping Norton, so it's still classed as Chipping Norton. So yeah, Crazy Horse, if you're down this way, come and give the shop a visit. It's a cracking little place to come. What a difference a few degrees makes. I still wouldn't trust getting my knee down on the corners though. There's probably still a lot of black ice out there, but the whole ride south to where we are this morning was pretty sketchy, to say the least. Look at that view, what you can see of it. Beautiful part of the country. I'm going to have to do maybe a little bit of exploring down this end next spring. It's just always presume when you get south it's just flat and boring, but this is just lovely rolling hills and farmland, cracking roads. So a little bit of a shame we're not carrying on the journey south, but I've really enjoyed today. It's been one hell of an adventure. If you're doing it on your own, you just want to turn back, but when you've got your mates and you're just trying to get to that destination, just keeps you going, gives you a little kick up the arse, and you don't want to let the next man down. Well, just gonna we're fast forwarded, folks, to darkness from earlier on. We've just shot straight up the motorway, and I've got still an hour and a half to get home because we made the decision not to go down to the south coast because of the weather closing in. I've left the rest of the pack earlier on, and I just stopped at services to get a coffee and something to eat just to warm the bones. So temperatures really dropped down now, so I'm gonna get home before the impending doom. Well folks, this is why we turned round. We've got, oh yeah, we've got look at the snow. It is belting down with snow now, and I'm coming over Woodhead Pass, which wasn't really the best of ideas, but it's the quickest way for me to get home. Woodhead Pass is one of the high routes back towards where I live, and I could have gone the long way around on the motorway, but I thought I'd beat the weather back. So if we'd have carried on to Folkestone down south, we'd have had this snow to ride back tomorrow, and we don't know how bad it was going to be. But oh, the wind is howling now. 7 AM and it is now 20 past 5. So I think I've done a little bit of an iron butt challenge here, even though it's only about, let's just have a look, 330 miles so far, 14 miles, so 350 or 360 mile all in, give and take. Anyway folks, just as the snow's coming down, I'm going to sign out and get my ass home. So hope you've enjoyed the ride. Brilliant to have you along with us today, and we'll be seeing you next time. So if this is your first time watching ALCHEMOTO, please do hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment and share if you dare. Until the next time folks, see you later.